Heady the Head. Darla tells me that she needs to get in contact with Karen Robinson. Karen was one of Darla's winners on her birthday giveaway. Karen, could you please email Darla at her email address down below in the description box? She would like you to email her by Thursday at noon. Otherwise, she's going to have to draw another winner. Yeah, so also, Darla doesn't know I'm doing this, but this lovely hat I'm wearing, Darla made this. I think she did a really good job. If any of you guys want to make it, I'm going to put Darla's link below to the video tutorial. Don't tell her I told you. All right, so Karen Robinson, please contact Darla. She's waiting for you. All right, thank you. You all have a good day now. Bye.